So here are 20 mistakes that Uber drivers make every single day. So if you drive for Uber or even for Lyft, you want to make sure you are not making these mistakes that could cost you your job, and it could also make you make way less than the average driver. Before we jump in, if you're interested in making extra money, there's an incredible opportunity to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something I've been doing for over 5 years now. Now I'm showing you how to do it. I've already taught so many of my friends. Just as you can see here, on one of my several YouTube channels so far this year, I brought in over $10,000 per month. That's only May, that's 57K. Last year, in 2023, I made over 10,000 bucks a month, on some days making over $1,000 a day. $120,000 in 1 year on one channel, all right? If you click the link below, you will unlock my full course on how to set up a faceless YouTube channel. And there's a 30-day free trial right now, so you can literally sign up and watch it for free. And join our group chat, and I'll help you start up your own faceless YouTube channel and make good money, okay? I wanna help you and watch you succeed. So click that link below, start your 30-day free trial. You can cancel at any time, no worries. And you don't need any experience or a following. So try it out right now. Okay, number 1 is buying a new car. You do not need a new car to do Uber. You can buy a used one. Matter of fact, I just bought a used car off Facebook Marketplace for $5,200. Uber and Lyft cars, at least in my area, they need to be 14 or 16 years older or newer. So that's right now 2008 or newer. So you don't need a brand new car to do Uber or Lyft. That's the worst mistake a lot of drivers make. Buy a car you can afford, don't have a car payment. Number 2 is driving full time. This is not a job you want to do full time, okay? You are paying to work. This is something you want to do part time. Mistake number 3, not having a side hustle. If you are only relying on Uber for income, you are making a massive mistake. You want to make sure you're doing something on the side, like, you know, the YouTube faceless channel or TikTok shop or something. Number 4 is not greeting your passengers. So many drivers, they pull up, they don't even say hi to their passengers, or they just say the name. Hey, are you Samantha? All right, good. And you want to say, hi, how are you? You know, just make it a little friendly to start. You don't want to be talking to your passengers throughout the whole ride, but at least greet them by their name and say hi. Number 5 is not confirming name at pickup. When you pull up, you don't want to assume ever that you have the right passenger, okay? These are how scary things happen and how drivers get scammed and killed. You want to make sure when you pull up, roll down the window, go, hey, what's the name? You want them to tell you their name, right? And then you let them in your car. You never say, hey, are you Samantha? They're just going to be like, yeah. And really, that's Beatrice. And they get in and they're not even your passenger. So be careful, guys, okay? Number 6 is background check issues. If you have anything wrong with your background check, you probably will get deactivated eventually. It might not happen right away, but you know, they do these background checks every year. So make sure you don't have any speeding tickets or texting and driving tickets on your background, because you could get deactivated for that. Number 7, speaking of which, is speeding. Just because you're an Uber driver and you're trying to hit that, you know, surge bonus, do not speed, okay? You will get pulled over for it and you can get deactivated. And obviously it's dangerous. Number 8, breaking the laws with too many riders, etc. So if you are driving Uber, you cannot break the law. You know, if you get too many passengers when you're at pickup, you got to say, hey, you know, I can't take you. Number 1, that person's trying to scam you because they want to get a cheaper ride. They don't want to order an XL or 2 Ubers. They're probably not going to tip you. And you could get literally a huge ticket for that and get deactivated. Okay, the next one is not having end time with Uber. Yeah, driving for Uber, in my opinion, should be a temporary job. You should not, you know, do this for years and years and years, unless you're doing it on the side and you're just trying to, you know, work here and there. That's fine. But if you're doing it full time, I wouldn't like do it for a long time, if that makes sense. You want to have an escape out of it. Just do it in the interim while you're looking for a better job, for instance. Okay, number 10 is using credit cards. This is something I used to do. You want to make sure you are not, obviously if you're using a credit card and paying it off every single month, then that's fine, but those people are far and few in between. Most people hold a balance on a credit card. You don't want to be, using a credit card. The reason you should be driving Uber and Lyft is to pay off your credit card. So cut up your credit cards. If you're not good at credit cards, that's what I had to do. I cut up my credit cards, paid them all off. I don't use credit cards anymore. That's kind of why I started in the first place. Number 11 is not using work solo guaranteed pay. Yeah, work solo has a guaranteed pay. So when you go out and drive, if you don't make a dollar amount in a certain hour, they will cover you the difference. So we have a link below for that. And when you sign up with our link and link your gig account, they will send you $10. So pretty cool there. Sorry, coffee break. Number 12, not using Play Octopus. We also have a link below for this. Play Octopus will pay you up to $100 extra per month when you use our link and you put a tablet in your car, and now they are nationwide. Passengers can play games and you as a driver make up to $100 extra per month. All right, next one. Number 13 is not using TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is a super easy way to make money. You can promote little items like this, digital camera. You can make money promoting items like this phone mount in your car. This is a phone mount that you can put in your car. Another one is this little game. There's, you can make little videos. And matter of fact, this is a way that I make money, is with TikTok Shop. And I have a link below teaching you how to do it. Also a 30-day free trial to join my TikTok Shop premium program. It's crazy the amount of money you can make online right now, guys. So take advantage of these opportunities. Number 14 is eating fast food or eating out. Yeah, when you're driving Uber, that could literally, use up all your profit, is just using it to eat out. You don't want to eat out when you go drive. Pack a lunch, eat before you go out and drive. It's not that hard. I don't know why people complicate. Oh, I need to eat while I'm driving. It's like, yeah, no duh. But you can pack a PB&J sandwich, pack a chicken sandwich, buy a little $10 cooler, pack some power bars. Don't go out and spend 20 bucks on lunch when it's that's probably a good amount of your profit after gas. You're already spending money on gas, wear and tear, car depreciation. You do not want to be spending money on food as well. And if you don't have time to eat out, if you don't have time to cook or go grocery shopping, you're lying. You do have time. Number 15 is blasting. And by the way, you'll probably end up making money by going grocery shopping because you're not spending money on fast food. And it's healthier for you. Number 15 is blasting music. A lot of drivers, for whatever reason, have zero consideration for the passenger. And I write this down because this is something I've faced as a passenger. I get into the car and the driver's blasting music. I'm like, dude, turn it down, buddy. I'm trying to have a nice relaxing ride to wherever I need to go. I don't want to be listening to your stupid music. It's I don't like your music and it's way too loud. Can you please turn it down? And a lot of times I'll tell them to turn it down and they turn it down 2 notches. And then I'm like, it's so awkward when your pastor has to tell you, hey, turn off your music. So just don't blast music. It's literally not that hard. You can play music, just keep the volume down, okay? This is not, unless of course your pastor asks you to, then that's fine. Number 16 is not offering AC or water. Offering AC is something you can do for free, and you make a lot more tips simply by saying, hey, do you want the AC on or the heater on? Your passenger will probably say, no, I'm good, but you just make an extra couple bucks each ride by doing that. Offering water. You can buy a literal case of, 30 water bottles at the store for $6. And what is that? $6, and I'm sure for out of 30 people who accept one water bottle, they're going to give you $5 tip or more. It's a decent investment. It makes the ride a lot better. You get higher ratings. You don't have to do that, obviously. Number 17 is not waking up early for airport rides. Yeah, the drivers who make the most amount of money, guys, are the ones who are up at 4 a.m. doing airport rides, okay? Because not a lot of drivers want to do that. That's a big secret. And those rides, they pay really well. There's no traffic. You get like 60, 70 bucks per ride, you know, early in the morning. Boom, it's 10 a.m. You already made 200 bucks. It's like, you're going to make way more money doing early airport rides than if you just sleep in and, you know, you're probably, yeah, anyways. Number 18 is not tracking miles properly. Get a mileage tracking app. Solo has a mileage tracker on there as well. Again, when you sign up with our link, you get 10 bucks. Track your miles properly. Do not use Uber's mileage because they don't count all your miles. They only count online miles, but they don't count the miles when, you know, you got to drive 30 minutes home at the end of the day, like, and you're logged off the app, but that's still a business mile. You know what I mean? Number 19 is not doing other apps at the same time. Yeah, do DoorDash, do Uber Eats, do, you know, do Lyft, do Uber and Lyft at the same time. Make sure and sign on when you're waiting. Sign on all of them, and once you get a ride, go offline on the other ones. That way you're not waiting in between rides. Number 20 is driving too long or at night. It's too dangerous. Yeah, you want to make sure you do not drive when you're tired because, again, a lot of people die when they are driving sleep deprived. You don't want to get into an accident. You don't want to, you know, you don't, and again, it's just not fun driving when you're tired. Driving when you're tired is never a good idea. You do not want to be risking that. Risking for yourself or for other people out on the road. So protect yourself, protect others. Those are the 20 mistakes that Uber drivers make. Let me know if I missed any. And again, check out my link down below to join my YouTube Faceless Channel program. Again, I made so far this year over $10,000 per month. This is, you know, it's May so far, so I have $57,000 clocked in, and you know, I get these checks every single month from YouTube. You know, this is no like get rich quick scheme. This is just once you set up your page, you'll start getting, you know, if you can get monetized, you'll get $1,000 a day. I mean, this is just for me, but I'll teach you exactly what you need to know how to do that. And again, I have multiple channels, so that's not even this channel. I make more money on this channel too. So YouTube's crazy. Click the link below. Again, there's a 30-day free trial right now, so there's no risk at all. Try it out. If you like it, you can stay in the group. If not, you can leave. It's totally fine. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk soon.